upload, simple lang pero solid ang move. Sa edit niya makilig at tawa, vibe may feel good pag pamilya at tropa.
Ayan guys, at nandito ako ngayon. Ito pala ang Campec. Ayan, so napadaan lang at medyo namali ng babaan ng bus. So ayan guys, ang pinipilahang street food dito sa Macau. Ayan, malapit sa may Campec. Ayan. Dito tayo. Alo, ang gulo-gulo nun. Ang ganda guys. Pagka nagugutom kayo, bibili kayo ng bolo pao. Ayan, tindahan ng mga pang soup, pang pasalubong, mga groceries, gamot. Dami siyang gold guys. Ayan Ito yung tinatawag na pine tree, wishing tree ng wind. Diba? Ayun gold. Nagampot ka na. So, ang ganda. Ito ang wind. Ayan So, let's go. Ganda. Ayan, at dito naman tayo guys. Butik na. Ayan, so, dito po yan sa may sa may opposite ng Macau Senado. So, let's go. Ayan, sumilip lang tayo. At tawid na tayo dito sa San Malo. Nako, thank you. Ayan, so oras na ng tawid. So, kailangan na. Dali. At nagsindala. Ayun na, pulis. Bilis naman. Siguro may pumindot. Ayan. At ang daming tao guys. Hindi ka basta-basta Ayan. Mahirap ang napasabit pa ako. Ito po ang ayan ang fire horse. Ayan hindi ka makakakuha dito ng solo lang talaga. Talagang maliban kung gabi. Okay na. Okay na yan. Uy, kadin! Marami akong pinuntahan.
Gentle nights, still she dreams, still she writes. One more frame, one more clip. This is life, man avec d'un Pete. Yeah. City lights, slow nights, this is her story. Morning light through the window pane, phone alarm calling out her name. Another day, but it feels brand new. So many dreams she's pushing through. Coffee warm, thoughts run deep. Promises she plans to keep. Laptop open, music low. She starts the day, she takes it slow. Every click, every frame, she's building more than just a name. In between the work and play, she finds herself along the way. Press record, let the moment live. Showing all the love tight, still she keeps her heart light. Balancing it all, somehow she makes it work, she knows how. In a rhythm, in a pace, she leaves beauty in every space. Working passion
Ayan, oh.
intertwined, living
Yan po ang
her own
karugtong.
design.
Ayan. Meron pala ditong ano, zero.
And the story
Baratilyo.
every word is clear. YouTube nights editing, quiet wins we're celebrating. This is who she is, not every Late night thoughts, city hum. Dreams are loud, but she stays calm. No rush, no race to run. She's already becoming someone. Ooh, she's glowing in the silence. Ooh, finding peace and balance. Coming, scrolling, hearts align. Little moments shared online. Not for fame, not for the noise. Just her truth, just her voice. Every step, every try. Learning as the days go by. Daily life, no filter on. She's enough, just carrying on. If tomorrow feels unsure, she knows her heart is strong and pure. No spotlight needed to shine. She's already right on time. Something strong, real uncopied, living freely in her time. From her work to what she wears, to the love she always shares. This is who she is. When they become in pain. Clear days, gentle nights, still she dreams, still she writes. One more frame, one more clip. This is life, men avec dumpy. Yeah. City lights, slow nights, this is her story. Morning light through the window pane, phone alarm calling out her name. Another day, but it feels brand new. So many dreams she's pushing through. Coffee warm, thoughts run deep. Promises she plans to keep. Laptop open, music low. She starts the day, she takes it slow. Every click, every frame, she's building more than just a name. In between the work and play, she finds herself along the way. Press record, let the moment live. Showing all the love she gives. From the screen to real life moments, simple days, golden focus. This is who she is.
Alana. Ayan. Maagang gagala, alas 9. Maaga pa yun dahil bagong gising. Ang ganda ng lantern. At dito sa kabilang side, ito po yung side ng Macau na hindi naman kagandahan, pero crowded. Crowded siya. Sa mga bibili ng egg tart special, ayan. Ganda ng lantern. Although mga old house yung iba dito, pero ito ang maganda. Yung kanilang decorations wall, lantern. Tingnan yung pangit na building. Old, po ito? Ayan parang Pinas lang, di ba? Dito ay magandang. Meron pa dun, halika dito. Halika dito. Ang meron din guys. Mukhang may rule silang ganap. So, doon sa kabilang side yun, meron silang ganap dito. Dahil walang dadaan sa kalsada, solo ko. Solo. Meron pa dito. Dahil meron akong nakitang kakaiba din wala pong dadaan din solo. Dati ito ay daanan ng bus. Bus 18. At dahil may ganap, so yun na po ang